Hello, good afternoon Tribuners. Welcome back with me Kusnul Asyaifah in Indonesian News of Tribun Lampung. We will present you an updating and interesting information from every place in Indonesia. And here the complete news. The first news is Senior in Surabaya participant in the Independent Day Conversation Competition. The atmosphere of the commemoration of the Republic of Indonesia Independent Day was also felt by the elderly at the Griya Wreda Regional Technical Implementation Unit in Surabaya. To feel this momentum, they took part in various competitions on the Monday, 8 August 2022. Various competition was held already to Regional Technical Implementation Unit under the Surabaya City Social Service. Interlegally, all the participants with the elderly resident of the operation. The majority of the women were over to 70 years old. Among the competition had trampoline racing, eating cracker, karaoke, and the ballooning. The event at the orphanage, which is location in the Jombrangan district, was attended by around 20 people out of total of 181 residents. Another felt that not only residents could not take part in competition due to the health or physical condition. It is because the participant was elderly, the community and competition while making the participant comfortable. In addition, the track is made sure to the early are not too tired. Even so, there are a number of challenges to master fashion by the consistent. For example, when the crying wine stole about the hardest, participants were asked to shake when their hair music being played. The reaction also propagated louder from the resident to the officer who saw it. Even so, their studies enthusiastically to it. And I explained in addition to filling out the conversation in Indonesia Independent Day, the competition is excited to foster the spirit one elderly, especially the momentum of the Independent Day, because the enthusiasm were the one participant who had to enthusiasm and action the early suddenly speaker louder. One of the participants, Batim, was enthusiastic about the participant in the temper racing competition. It crying temper on her head. This is all good and grandmother looked like walking while shaking her body. He admired the was excited to win the competition while having fun with the other participant. The next news is the Hajj pilgrims are excited to come home wearing the flashy jewelry and the clothes. The mother of the pilgrims from Sulawesi were excited to dress up maximally and wear the flashy clothes while they return to their country after performing worship. The video showing the extremism of the other has gone viral on social media. Not only makeup, flashy clothes, the pilgrims also wear a number of the jewelry. The video circulating showed the atmosphere on the planet. The mother of pilgrims was suspended to be their own and Saudi Arabia to Indonesia. A number of the few comments adored the upload. Sometimes netizens even question the going home for the Hajj become the plan to show up in social casting. Show the cast in relevant uploaded the Bugis pilgrims wearing the flashy clothes. After the pilgrim is not to show up with the preservative traditions that have existed since the time or the procedures. This was said by the Salma, a pilgrims with the Gravitation Control Unit 7 group, who will submit in TRIBUNnews.com in Medina on the Friday. Screenshot on the social media of the Makassar. Bugis pilgrims dressed up than the plan Tuesday. Now the fact behind the viral video have been revealed. Screenshot of the viral video of the Makassar Bugis pilgrims dressed up on the plan. Now the fact behind the video viral have been revealed. Starting from the top, the versatility ahead of the and then there's the conserving had the Malpes and Ruber's clothes. They said the clothes were bought by the Saudi Arabia but bought from Indonesia. Clothes will be where the plane is approaching landing. Another consideration, namely Kusama. From the Kapala reported this some fact. Kasbah admitted the said he prepared a dark yellow leather dress as well along the barcode scarf. Meanwhile, another member of the congregation, Hasbia, she admitted that they didn't know actually the message for this tradition was sending. She was just trying to carry her parents badly to do the same. The next news is frozen food store in fire in Astanaanyar, Bandung. A shop in Astanaanyar in the market on the To the local resident, the fire began to grow at 12 p.m. According to resident narrative before the fire broke out, two appliances were heard from the inside the shop. When he saw the incident, he immediately woke up in the old family called the Five Fathers. He explained that the burner shop was not inhabited by the owner. In addition, he added the word fake feathers made to the counter the fire. The raid through Surabaya is now the burning building is a shop that sells frozen food. The current condition, the shop has been sterilized by the police using the police in the line. The next news is Cikalongkulon Health Center in Cianjur is a burner. Cikalongkulon Health Center Cianjur Regency caught a fire on the Saturday this morning. The fire was also seen spreading to several buildings near from the health center. There was the casualty and incident however, but they are also still being called Sulawesi because the officer are still trying to extinguish the fire. The head of the Cikalongkulon Health Center, Dr. Budi said, the first fire appeared from the paramedic building the back in initial subsided, where the prejudice is the difficult of the water source to the exciting the fire. The fire had a panic out the worker and the hospitalized parent and the puskesmas. Budi said the fire engineering has been dispatched extinguishing the fire. Budi said the code not to determine and the main fire is the health facility. Mass Bison. The next news is mass boat sighting in Citamyang, Sukabumi. A total of 19 residents in Segang earthquake, Gedung Panjang Village, Citamyang District, Sukabumi City, are suspected of having a food poisoning on Sunday. This Citamyang Village Chief Adjutant Commissioner of Police Arif Supraja said the incident was finally first noticed by the resident who reported it in Pakis Gedung Panjang Village. According to the Arif, information from the resident at the scap, the victims were found to have consumed dodongkal food at around 9 a.m. from the seller who used to the short location. The Sukabumi City Health Office took immediate steps to secure remains of the traditional dodongkal food which was suspended to be seized because the personaling of dozens of the residents. Gedung Panjang Village, Citamyang District on the Munggu. The head of the Sukabumi City Health Office, Dr. Rita Fitrianingsih said that party was had accurate the sample for the immediate examination in the lab. A resident of the gang at Tuakers Gedung Panjang Village, Citamyang District, Sukabumi City, is being treated in Kartika Hospital due to suspended proceeding after consuming traditional dodongkal food on the Sunday. A resident of the Ertuaging Gedung Panjang, the police received to the report residential at around 2 p.m. regarding the explanation of resident with the same symptoms after eating dodongkal. Meanwhile, after the parties received medical service at the moment from the home care, there is a push that the Sukabumi City Health Office. As of the Sunday night, 90 people were suspected of being personally by the traditional food. While the victim was experienced somewhat symptomatic, his condition began to improve. The next news is the trial of the Bachi, the son of the Kiai Jombang, the victim were present. The agenda of the examination of the witness in the case of the sexual abuse the female student in the deviant mosque Sabuchi Azal, or Bachi, 41 years old, the son of the Kiai in the Jombang, East Java, will be held on the Monday. The coordinator of the podium of the East Java Procedures Office, Endang Tirtana, he confirmed that the various parties had provided assistance to the joint victim of Bachi, the son of Kiai in the Jombang. To anticipate psychological condition after experiencing violence, starting for the police and the case and during a realm of the office investigation to the involvement of the stakeholder world environment above the social assistance to victims of sexual violence by the Bachi, the son of the Kiai in the Jombang. Based on the result of the trial garden for the interim disease lead to the career of the panel in judges, Sutat Trisno the trial of the accused molester of the female student at the Islamic boarding school in the Poso Jombang with a different Bachi will be held offline or the face-to-face. This meant that the trial will be present the defiant at the witness, including reporting witness, victim expert witness, however, by adjusting the predetermined time in the schedule. The discussion was made by the chairman of the panel of judges Sutrisno in the follow-up trial to the was scheduled for the interim discussion, which was held the Surabaya District Court in the office. In each day, the examination of the witness is molded to the 4 people with a trial duration of about 40 hours. And the last news is volleyball supporter first in Pamekasan. 2 volleyball fans were involved in the first fight in the Karawang Dalam Hamlet in the West Padamau village, Padamau District, Pamekasan Regency, Madura on the Friday of 5 August 2022 afternoon. The 2 supporters having involved super to the PBFV Club Perkasa in Sumatra Village, Propo District against PBV Harmonis Majuang Village, Padamau District. They fight after the open match volleyball in the Turjo Cup tournament. The volleyball match PBV won in the mic with a score of 2-0. The head of the Padamau Police, Inspector Police Darmawanto, said the prior of the first fight between the 2 supporters at around 5 p.m. The situation seemed conducive, but after that, there was a protest for the PBV harmonious because the risk transfer problem of the player was in allowed, moved the clause to the time for the 3 years. Alleged the 3 players from the PPV, Mike the Bifehak Dani was moved to time for the 3 years, but it is still able to play in the tournament. Well, I think those are the news for today with me, Kusnul Ashaifa. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.